All right, well, we're back and had to take a trip to Walmart. I got a 911 that we had to do some shopping, so. Okay, well, cool thing was I needed some gum out, so I was able to get it on my shopping trip. All right, anyway, back to why we're here. Let's pull the bowl out and let's see how good it looks, or not so good. All right. That there. I got a rubber glove here for touching the piece here. Try to get this drip dried out. Alright. So I'll get the parts out. This back here. Put that there. We're gonna put this right in right now so this could start going. Oh, I wanted to take this off. Let's see if the other side's on. Yes, I did take that one off too. All right, ready to go. We'll see you in a little bit. So all this is a brush that I got with a spray gun kit. So this works real good in here. All right. Well, my opinion, I'm gonna put it back in and with this, so we're gonna buddy them up. So I'm gonna pull the jets out. Sake of the exercise, I don't have brand new carb kits right now on me, so we're going to be putting the carburetor back together clean and dry with the old gaskets. I know that's lame, but the needle seats have gaskets, the jets have gaskets for the holder, and these plugs on the sides of the bowls have gaskets as well. And then you got your main bowl here. This goes under their top plate, and these are near those Venturi tubes, or I don't remember. I didn't know what the hell those were called. So pretty much it with that. So we will log back in an hour and check what's going on with this. Let's see what we got. Right. Got my Michael Jackson glove on. Piece. There's the second piece here. Drip dry it out here. All right. show confidence. Cut this all the way. Let's see if I screwed myself. Well, it looks clean. A lot cleaner. Just has the little residue in there. All right. Well, let's spray this out. Some air. Get my safety glasses. Super clean now. Let me get the other piece. Come with me. Come with me if you want to live. Like I said earlier, I don't have new gaskets for this one. I'm going to, I did clean these off decently. So, this plate with the holes here, just gonna go on like this. This is for the sake of assembly. Anyway, okay. I'll put these tubes on there. There. These are very hard. Replace them. Not hard meaning they're old. So you're gonna want to replace those if your application has that. Okay. Now you want to install your brand new gasket here. You want to make sure that it snaps in. When I say snaps in, it's got grooves, channels. You want to make sure it fits nice. I use Sierra kits or mercury. Those two, I mean, obviously the mercury ones are good. It's factory. Now, you got to assemble the bowl. Your needle seats, you put the new gasket on. Snug down. Next one. Get a little small grunt. There you go. Now you get your needles and your float. Put this, insert this on the arm and insert it in, and then put your pin there. Make sure it's all in its area. Then install your small screw. You don't want to. You want to get it snug down. You don't want to do it too hard, and you want it even. That works. That's good. Little test. The little clanker test. All right. There's your shaft. Put that on. Put your needle on. My fingers are really dirty right now too. It's not. You're pretty much supposed to clean this, get it all good. Go wash your hands. Clean up your area. Start up with a nice new area. To be honest, you know, when I go to put kits in this, I'm gonna re-clean it. I'm not gonna dip it, but I'm gonna re-clean them. I just want to let you know. And make sure you use all your supplied gaskets with your kit. Don't get lazy, because it only hurts you in the end. See, they both work. That's good. Okay. Now you're going to assemble your jets. Put it back in my little base here. Put the jet in. Get it started by hand. It likes this screwdriver only. Get it, and then switch this. Tight. Remember to put your new gasket on there. And this goes in the lower bowl. There. Same with the other side. Now we got this. This is for the fuel line. This is all clean. It's going back on the bowl. Now, when you take these off, try to remember which direction things are facing. This is the upper carburetor, so this is going to face down. Okay. Facing down. All right. Now, you got these gaskets. These go in here, like so. Like so. They snap right in. All right. Now, this is all ready. This goes on like this. This is all done. Always want to check your pieces and make sure you don't forget anything. Alright. Boom. Put the screws in. Now I gotta put these in. These caps, they go over the upper jets. Can't remember if those are the high-speed jets. Sorry for my shoddy terminology. We're here to learn how to de-gum up a carburetor, not how to talk to it or talk fancy here. So hopefully that's good. Okay, let's tighten this up. Okay, that hose back on again, that hose that needs to be changed. Now the last thing to put back on is your throttle arm, which goes on like this. Now this is adjustable, so just get it on, and then you're going to have to resync it with the other arms. Starting with the bottom one, that's where you adjust it at that little cam line. Alright everybody, well, this is officially a cleaned out carburetor. Should work. They're not that hard. You just gotta really clean all the orifices pretty good. Use the carburetor kit if you can. Another way to do this, if you don't want to use the chemical dip, is people say hot soapy water works good, and then also a ultrasonic cleaner works as well too. So there's more than one way to skin a cat, just like everything else. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Check out our other videos. If you're into cars and trucks and all that, we have tons of different stuff on the channel. It's pretty cool. And enjoy it. Check it out, tell your friends, and watch for our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps out a few people. Take care.